Damascus steel holds a distinguished place in historical metallurgy, celebrated globally for its exceptional durability, razor sharp edges, inherent flexibility, and striking, undulating surface patterns. Its name originates from Damascus, Syria, a renowned center for the trade and production of these distinctive swords. Despite its association with Damascus, the genesis of this steel can be traced back to India and Sri Lanka, where a superior quality steel known as wood steel was originally crafted. This material was subsequently transported to the Middle East through established trade networks, where it was expertly fashioned into the celebrated Damascus swords by skilled blacksmiths. The most captivating characteristic of Damascus steel was its distinctive wave-like or watery patterns, which visually differentiated it from conventional steels. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, this steel was capable of retaining an exceptionally keen edge, possessed remarkable flexibility despite its robust nature, and exhibited considerable resilience against fracture, making it an ideal material for combat weaponry. During the medieval period, swords crafted from Damascus steel garnered widespread acclaim across the Middle East and Europe. Legend suggests these blades were so sharp they could cleave a falling silk scarf and even withstand impacts against iron bars. While these accounts may be embellished, it is undeniable that Damascus swords were regarded as some of the finest arms of their era. The creation of Damascus steel involved a specialized heating process for wood steel ingots, followed by repeated hammering. Precise temperature control was crucial throughout this forging, ensuring the carbon and other constituent elements within the steel arranged themselves in a specific configuration, which later manifested as the unique surface patterns. Contemporary scientific investigations have delved into the intricacies of Damascus steel. Research indicates that its superior strength is attributable to its unique microstructure and the presence of carbides. Some studies also suggest the involvement of nano-level structures, though a definitive expert consensus on this aspect remains elusive. By the late 18th and 19th centuries, the production of authentic Damascus steel had largely ceased. Potential contributing factors include shortages of essential raw materials, shifts in trade routes, the scarcity of specific mineral elements, and the loss of the proprietary techniques held by the original artisans. These combined influences led to the gradual disappearance of this ancient craft. The Damascus steel, commonly available today, is typically produced by laminating layers of different steel types. While its visual resemblance to historical Damascus steel is significant, its manufacturing methodology differs from that of its ancient counterpart. Nevertheless, it remains highly sought after for contemporary knives and decorative blades. Damascus steel stood as a testament to ancient metallurgical prowess, dominating the landscape of military weaponry for centuries. Its combination of strength, beauty, and an enigmatic production process cemented its status as a unique material in history. Even now, scientists and expert bladesmiths continue their efforts to fully comprehend and replicate its original techniques, underscoring its enduring significance and intrigue.